She woke up to a strange sound coming from the bathroom. Heart racing, she tiptoed towards it, feeling dread. The door creaked open slowly, revealing an empty room. But something felt off. Suddenly, she spotted a pair of teeth on the floor, not belonging to her. Panic surged through her veins as she realized she wasn't alone. A whisper echoed in the silence, calling her name. She turned to flee, but the door slammed shut. Trapped, she faced the darkness, knowing the teeth were just the beginning.